Upbeat music playing. Welcome back by Smart Fam. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On one side, we have the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, and on the other, the Creality Ender-3 V3. Will one of these print your dreams, or will it just be a paperweight? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is priced at $719, while the Creality Ender-3 V3 is much more budget-friendly at $299. That's a significant $420 difference. If you're looking to save some cash, the Ender-3 V3 might be more appealing. Reviewers note that the Ender-3 V3 offers great value for its price, while the Kobra 2 Max feels more like a premium investment. Next up is print speed. Both printers boast a max speed of 500 mm per second, but the Kobra 2 Max has a slight edge with 10,000 mm per square second acceleration compared to the Ender-3 V3's 8,000 mm per square second. Reviewers praise the Kobra 2 Max for its fast and precise printing capabilities, while the Ender-3 V3 is also noted for its speed, but with some minor calibration issues. When it comes to printing size, the Kobra 2 Max offers a massive 16.5x, 16.5x, 19.7 inches build volume. The Ender-3 Volts 3, while not specified here, is known for a smaller but still respectable build size. If you have grand ambitions, the Kobra 2 Max is your go-to. Reviewers appreciate the large build volume of the Kobra 2 Max, while the Ender-3 V3 is praised for quick prototyping. Smart features are another important aspect. The Kobra 2 Max comes with Bluetooth provisioning, firmware upgrading, real-time video supervision, and remote control through its app. The Ender-3 V3 offers phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive options. Reviewers love the tech-savvy features of the Kobra 2 Max, making it feel like a personal assistant, while the Ender-3 V3 is noted for its reliable performance but with fewer bells and whistles. Both printers feature auto-leveling, but the Kobra 2 Max goes a step further with its unique module that compensates for a Z-axis offset. The Ender-3 V3 uses the CR touch sensor, which is effective but not as advanced. Reviewers appreciate the additional auto-leveling features of the Kobra 2 Max, while the Ender-3 V3's auto-leveling is seen as a solid but basic function. Customer support is crucial for any tech purchase. The Kobra 2 Max offers a 1-year warranty with lifetime technical support, while the Ender-3 V3 provides 12-month support and 24-hour after-sales service. Reviewers of the Kobra 2 Max praise its excellent customer support, while opinions on the Ender-3 V3 support are mixed, with some praising it and others facing issues. Overall, reviewers find the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max to be a fast, precise, and feature-rich printer with great customer support, despite some minor issues. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is praised for its affordability, speed, and reliability, though it does have some quirks and mixed customer support experiences. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is a high-speed, feature-packed machine perfect for those with big projects and a bigger budget. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is a budget-friendly, reliable workhorse that won't break the bank. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Bye, Smart Fam!